This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Stephen Michael Reynolds. Brand new roof to be installed prior to closing. Welcome to Central Oak Park. Just minutes from all the great shopping, coffee shops, restaurants and nightlife along Central Avenue in the Grand Central District. This well-maintained 2-bed, 1-bath 1,194 square foot home boasts tons of new updates. 2024 improvements include refinished original hardwood floors, updated mudroom floors, new faux-wood window blinds, a freshly painted interior, new fridge plus all new light fixtures and ceiling fans. Outside, you'll love the brand new Trex deck and maintenance-free turf backyard. An outdoor shed offers additional storage. The home also features a water softener system, Nest thermostat and a transferable termite warranty. An energy-efficient tankless water heater was added in 2019. Alley access offers convenient parking. This home is move-in ready and is